I'm doing a little video here, and this is what you do over 1/2-inch plywood, as my dad taught me this. So this material is being installed over 1/2-inch plywood, and because it's so soft in between the joists, it's like there's a joist right here. I chalked it, and then there's one right here. So anyway, before, what you do is I chalked the joists on here, chalk line, but I didn't do it on this side. But what I did is I marked all my joists along here every 16 inches. So what you do is, after you lay out the floor, mark your joists right where the joists are under the flooring, and I chalk lines every 16 inches. And the reason I do that is because these staples here are 2 inches long. So on a 1/2-inch material or 1/2-inch subfloor, they're going to stick down through the subfloor like a 3/4 of an inch, maybe 1/2 inch. So it doesn't make sense to staple the floor where there's no joists. So right where the line is, right where the chalk lines are, is where you want to put your staple. Unless it's a butt end where this one here, it falls between the joists, so pretty much have no choice to put one here and one here anyway. But also stick one right here and one over here too as well. So that makes for a very strong installation, stronger anyway, for people that are putting hardwood floor over 1/2-inch plywood. So that's a good thing. My dad taught me that, and he also told me, well, try to find some crayon or something so you can mark the black with a yellow crayon, or some piece of drywall or something, or some chalk or something. You got some chalk, kids chalk or something. But I did put chalk lines on these here, so usually you can see that between the boards as you're putting it down, but sometimes it's hard to see. Anyway, yeah, that's a little tip of the day. Make a better hardwood floor installation. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.